5 seconds to go. Start. Stress has been laid on behalf of the petitioners on the words is filled in this circular comma, and it is urged that this means that until the direct recruit is actually recruited and fills the vacancy meant for a direct recruit, he cannot get seniority from before the date he fills the vacancy merely on the ground of rotational system of fixing seniority. Stop. We do not think that this is the meaning of the words is filled used in this circular. Stop. We have already said that this circular also emphasizes the rotational system in the matter of fixing of seniority, and all that it means is that vacancies should be filled either by direct recruits or by promotees according to the quota fixed for such appointments. Stop. Para. This brings us back to the circular of 1959, and the main question in that connection is the meaning to be assigned to the words seniority determined accordingly, in the explanation to principle 6 relating to relative seniority of direct recruits and promotees. Stop. As we read these words, their plain meaning is that seniority as between direct recruits and promotees should be determined in accordance with the roster, which has also been specified, namely, one promotee followed by one direct recruit and so on. Stop. Where therefore recruitment to a cadre is from two sources, namely, direct recruits and promotees, and rotational system is in force, seniority has to be fixed as provided in the explanation by alternatively fixing a promotee and a direct recruit in the seniority list. Stop. We do not see any violation of the principle of equality of opportunity enshrined in Article 16(1) by following the rotational system of fixing seniority in a cadre, half of which consists of direct recruits and the other half of promotees, and the rotational system by itself working in this way cannot be said to deny equality of opportunity in government service. Stop. The anomalies which have been referred to in the petition arise not on account of there being anything opposed to equality of opportunity in government service by the use of the rotational system, they arise out of the fortuitous circumstance that in this particular service of appraisers, for one reason or another, direct recruitment has fallen short of the quota fixed for it. Stop. It is merely because of this fortuitous circumstance that anomalies to which reference has been made in the petition have arisen. Stop. There is no doubt that if direct recruitment had kept pace with the quota fixed, therefore, there would have been no anomalies in fixing the seniority list. The question therefore narrows down to this, can it be said that there is denial of equality of opportunity which arises out of this fortuitous circumstance and which is not a vice inherent in the rotational system? Sign of interrogation. We are not prepared to say that the rotational system of fixing seniority itself offends equality of opportunity in government service. Stop. Any anomalies which may have resulted on account of insufficient recruitment of direct recruits in the past cannot, in our opinion, be a ground for striking down the rotational system, which, as we have said, does not itself amount to denial of equality of opportunity in the matter of employment in government service. Stop.